Alright folks, I've got a Mitsubishi elevator here with super slow door movement. Like, it's barely opening. The doors won't open properly. Almost like it's about to freeze up. I check what's happening at the second floor. The doors are moving in slow motion. Feels like the door motor's lacking power. Get stuck at this position. But if I give it a little push, it'll finish opening. Go to the car top now. Put it in inspection mode. Turn on the light. And check the error codes on the door controller board. What's the error code showing? It's flashing for. That's a door lock error. Let's try resetting the power first. Found the door motor power supply. Cutting power now. Lights off. Wait 5 seconds. Powering back up. Now it shows F. Check these door position sensors. These doors feel crazy heavy, like I'm pushing against a wall. But alignment looks okay, the metal plates centered properly. The door motor's spinning. But when it tries to drive the belt's not moving. Look how loose this is. Found our problem. If I hold tension here, it works normally. Time to adjust the belt tension. First loosen both the motor base screws, the outer one and the inner one. Then tighten this adjustment screw inward to tension the belt. Wait, can't adjust further. Screw S already maxed out. Belt's still loose. This isn't working. Must stretched too much, or it's the wrong size. See these mounting slots? There's some play here. Loosen these bolts. Shift the motor over to take up slack. Stretched belts are the worst once they too long. Proper tensioning becomes impossible. After adjustments. Testing in maintenance mode. Closing normally now. Restoring to normal operation, doors working smoothly again. If I missed anything or wasn't clear enough, feel free to ask.